Nobody asks, what did Verwoerd actually take away from the black communities? Or what did he actually give to the black communities? I think the most interesting thing that I found out that I never knew was looking at Dr. Hendrik Verwoerd's time as the Minister of Native Affairs, which was in the 50s and which was also the time of the Bantu Education Act, which he was a big proponent of. And if we look at Hendrik Verwoerd today, the general consensus would be that he was this massive racist, evil planner that just wanted to come up with all these massive, elaborate 4D chess plans in order to make black people suffer. But if we look at the way that he was viewed during that time, it is very interesting that he was viewed as this liberal Dutchman. And I say Dutchman because Verwoerd can be seen as sort of an honorary Afrikaner because he wasn't even born in South Africa. He was born in the Netherlands. He was a Dutchman. He wasn't um, an Afrikaner before he sort of assimilated into the culture of the Afrikaner. And other people during his time were criticizing him for being way too egalitarian. So, to give you an example, the Bantu Education Act was, in his words, an idea that he had to improve the literacy rate amongst black people.